It's been a sunny Thursday for most of South Africa, with the centre of a low pressure also keeping things fine and dry in the southwest, but that same low brings in some cloud along the west coast. Low cloud moved in over parts of the Western and Eastern Cape on Thursday, with thunderstorms occurring mainly over the far eastern parts, and you'll see those larger thunderstorms forming over KwaZulu-Natal as well as over Swaziland. Now, as we head into Friday, we can expect fine and dry weather over the central part of South Africa, with some morning rain over the far southern parts. It'll be a mostly cloudy day with scattered thunderstorms over the eastern part of South Africa, with a few thundershowers still over parts of Limpopo and the Eastern Cape, but with a partly cloudy and hot day for Gauteng. Here's a look at your weather forecast in detail at the end of the work week, with maximum temperatures expected to peak in the middle and upper 20s for KwaZulu-Natal, hot for Newcastle at 30 degrees, with a mostly cloudy day and scattered thunderstorms throughout the province. Mild for Elliot and Mthatha, both in the low 20s, with thunderstorms mainly over the eastern part of the Eastern Cape. 25 as we head into East London with the possibility of rainfall, and we're expecting some morning rain for Port Elizabeth and Grahamstown, both at 24. Morning drizzle starts off the day along the coast between Plettenberg Bay and Mossel Bay. Sunny and warm for Beaufort West at 28 degrees, partly cloudy for Hermanus at 24, and we're expecting a mostly sunny and warm day for Cape Town at 28, Worcester and Robertson both partly cloudy at 30 degrees. Sunny at 26 as we head into Springbok with uninterrupted sunshine throughout the Northern Cape. Uppington topping 35 and a high of around 30 degrees for De Aar and Colesberg. In the Free State, dry weather is forecast at the end of the work week with a high of 32 for Welkom and Bloemfontein, and we're also expecting dry weather for the northwest. Mahikeng and Vryburg at 33 and hotter still for Zeerust and Rustenburg, both in the mid-30s. Thundershowers are expected for much of Limpopo, but especially over the eastern parts. Phalaborwa at 34 degrees, 35 for Skukuza, with scattered thunderstorms mainly over the eastern part of Mpumalanga. Omelo at 27 and Secunda at 30 degrees. It'll be a partly cloudy and hot day for Gauteng, 32 for Soweto and Johannesburg, and Pretoria expecting a high of 34 degrees. Light and variable winds are expected in the morning along the west coast, with a moderate southwesterly wind for Cape Town in the afternoon. Fresh winds are expected along the eastern Cape coast, with a moderate southeasterly onshore flow along the east coastline. Partly cloudy and hot as we head into Gauteng, with thunderstorms mainly over the eastern parts on Saturday. You'll see a hot day along South Africa's coastline, with a sunny and sizzling hot day over the Northern Cape, and then we'll see thunderstorms return to Gauteng. That's all from the Weather Centre for now. Have a great one.